Hey everybody, it's that time of year again, Thaifex Horec Asia 2025 right here at IMPACT Arena in Bangkok. Now what can we expect? Well, it's all right there in the name. Industries like the hospitality, restaurant, and catering sectors will be showcasing hundreds of businesses showing off their new technologies, new products, and new skills. There's going to be friendly competitions with experts in their fields showcasing their skills and creativity, plus plenty of opportunities to learn from the experts. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, we're here at the Experiential Zone, where they've come up with all sorts of different solutions across the 9 segments, including sustainability, plant-based foods, waste management, and what I'm most excited about, digital guest experiences. Let's check out and see what they have on display for us. All right guys, I'm here with Francesco from Sober Spirit. Francesco, bring me into your world. What do you have for us here
today? Welcome, Alex.
Yeah.
Yes, we have our new products just arrived not a long time in Thailand. Basically, it's a non-alcoholic spirit, 0%. It's pretty, how we can say, getting really good in the markets. Many people want to be more healthy in their lifestyle and also enjoy party without having any hangover the day after.
Fantastic.
So I would like to try some.
Please, by all means.
Which one do you want to start?
I gotta say, so my mom is from the Caribbean. Rum has a special place in my heart.
Sure.
Let's try that one. Yeah.
The process is pretty interesting because they extract the ethanol.
Right.
So you're gonna have the flavor, the note of the rum stay into your glass.
For the second one, I'll take your
The second
recommendation.
one, I want to stay with gin.
These are my 2 favorite liquors, rum and gin. Well, thank you for your
Alex.
time
I
today.
appreciate it. Anytime.
Well, the skills of the baristas are on display here at Thaifex Horec. As one of the industries that is getting a focus is the cafe and coffee industry, where we're seeing machines, beans, pretty much everything having to do with the industry on display here for our enjoyment. So let's check it out.
My name is Jake Berber. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Prefer. At Prefer, we make more affordable and more sustainable ingredients, starting with coffee. So we've developed a roasted and ground coffee product that allows us to decrease the costs and carbon footprint of our coffee partners that we work with. So we have a roasted and ground coffee that can make instant coffee, ready-to-drink coffee, as well as be an ingredient for coffee distributors here in Thailand. So we're really excited to help coffee companies here reduce their costs so that the consumers can continue to enjoy coffee.
Hi, my name is Benny. I'm from Codemax, Malaysia. So basically, we are an IT company. We are a software technology company. So we actually created an operating systems that can connect to smart equipment. For example, the robotic noodle stations. So basically, this robot, when you order something from the POS systems, from the self-ordering kiosk, the robot will start working immediately. So what it does is that it's actually picking up the ingredient and pour it into the boiling tank. All right. So the boiling tank will branch the noodle. Once it's ready, cooked, it will actually serve to the noodle bowl, and then it will be dispensing the soup into the bowl. And then the human just do the final touch, and then it's ready to serve. As simple as that.
Let's try the robot noodles, shall we? Amazing. All right, guys, we're here at the Thaifex Horec Academy, where experts from all over the world are imparting their wisdom from their respective industries to attendees. If you got time, check by, and maybe you'll learn something you didn't know.
I'm Chef M. I'm a chef in Peppina. We do a pizza napoletana. I want to explain what is the pizza napoletana for everybody. The pizza napoletana is very simple, but we use high quality ingredients. Actually, the pizza napoletana is very fast. For the cook, we need around 1 minute and a half.
That's it? Wow.
This is for you.
All right, already. Let's give it a bite, shall we? Margarita, the basics,
The best.
you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Thank you so much, Chef Ed.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much,
it, man.
guys. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Chef Anthony Russo. Today we're going to make a pizza, New York style. Here's our sauce. Check out the color, beautiful. Made with extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil, California ripe tomatoes. We got mozzarella. Now we're baking the pizza oven. About 4 or 5 minutes, this pie is ready. Capiche? Yeah, we started in 1999 making New York style pizza. My parents were in the Italian restaurant business back in New Jersey. So we're expanding in the States with locations in Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, Miami, Arizona, California. So we're expanding domestically, but also expanding globally as well. But our goal is to open up casual dining, serving New York style pizza and pasta and salad sandwiches in this market. Bring Little Italy to Thailand. That's our goal. Top a little bit of oregano.
Buonissimo. Thank you. Woo. Just getting a load of that pastel perfection. What a great way to end our time here at Thaifex Horec 2025. The food has been amazing, the drinks have been incredible, and the insights into the innovations coming to these industries has been truly unbelievable. Stay tuned because we're not done. Next year, Thaifex will be back 2026. We'll give you more information as it comes.